All right. What's good, my beautiful people? What's happening? It's your boy Topboylarry. Yeah, man, we're back. We're back again with another one. Okay, quick announcement, guys. So this is the chat, right? The chat is currently I'm having issues with my network provider, but here's the good news. The network provider will be sending in my Wi-Fi in a few days. I don't know. I think they said 7 to 14 days. So the good part is the Wi-Fi is coming, but I need you guys to bear with me with this bad Wi-Fi for now. But then yeah, in the next 7 to 14 days, I'll be fine. So if I do not post, right? If I do not post, I'll make sure that I post the video each and every single day of my trades, right? At least just to get you guys updated on how everything is going and what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Just yeah, make sure that you guys are always updated with that, right? Yeah, that will be just an update from me, guys, so that you guys don't think I just ghosted y'all. Yeah, the plan is not to ghost y'all, guys. I am not out here to ghost anyone, right? Yeah. So just yeah, just keep in mind of that. And yeah, man, let's just get in the buys right now. You know what I'm saying? I do see price looking good here. And yeah, we're just gonna get in the buys, nothing too crazy. We're just gonna enter the buys, probably take profit somewhere around. Okay, let me look at the 30. Let me not rush. Let me look at the 30. The 30 hasn't created a bottom wick here for us. Let's see where it closed. Okay, nah. Relax, guys. Relax. Relax. Let's wait for better price action here. Let's do a top-down analysis. Yeah, and then we're gonna obviously start off with a prayer, right? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's start off with the prayer. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Um, Thank you, Lord, for this day. Thank you, Lord, for keeping us safe, Lord, and allowing us to be alive here during Asian session, Lord. Please help us, Lord, to be able to make profits today if possible. Lord, help us to be able to check out the markets and be able to, Lord, potentially make money today. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. 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 All right, guys. All right. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the weekly time frame. Yeah, let's look at the weekly time frame quickly. What is the weekly time frame telling us? The weekly time frame is telling us that right now we currently hit support, and this is why I'm kind of bullish. We already created a bottom wick here on the daily time frame. This candle is kind of confused, so we don't know whether we are bullish or bearish for the day. We might be both. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame just created support. A potential break of the highs here would look good, right? Yeah, potential push back above here would look good on the 4 hour time frame. We are pretty bullish for the most part here, right? Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame here basically is not looking good. So nothing here on the 1 hour time frame. The 30, yeah, the 30 just created support here. But yeah, man, I wanted to get in the buys, but since I just got in the market, it's better we just drop a plan here and basically wait for something much better here, guys. Yeah, I don't want to rush, but if price does decide to push here w to that, yeah, that would be a nice move here. All right, yeah. So basically, we basically pushed up, created this low here, and price is, yeah, it's looking tough in these areas. Yeah, the buys are looking good here, but yeah, I'm not in the buys currently, and yeah, we will be in the buys as soon as price gives us something much better here. All right. So another thing, guys, I want you guys to understand is I will not be live as usual for some time. I'm just waiting for my Wi-Fi router to be shipped to me, and after that I need to set up, be in the setup process of all of that, and then once that is completed I will be back live full time. Right now I'm just having issues with the Wi-Fi and all those type of things, but that will get fixed in a few in a second. That will be fixed, guys. I'm working on that. I already yeah I already the deal is done. I'm just waiting for it to be delivered here. With the music, with the music, with the music. Yeah, man. We're gonna wait for closures here, and we're gonna wait for price to do its thing here. And yeah, man, possibly getting into the buyers would look money here. All right, I'm actually unprepared today. I'm actually unprepared today. I haven't even opened none of my charts. The only chart that's open is this one here. Yeah. So I'm gonna. Uh, oh my goodness, what's up? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna set up everything here. Let me just set up this chart on the side. Okay. Let me set up this other chart on the side. Yeah. I know. I got too many charts. Too many charts. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Yeah, man, let's see how price wants to play out here. We just got in the market. That's why I don't want to open anything here. Yeah, man. Let me just put this router right somewhere around here so it doesn't fall again. Hey, man, we're looking fresh, man. We're looking fresh. We're looking fresh. Hey, man, we just got a fresh style out here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We out here. We out here, bro. We out here. Yeah, we looking fresh. Yeah, man. We looking fresh. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is the new look. No bonnet today. No bonnet. No bonnet. No bonnet here, guys. No bonnet today. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Everything is looking pretty tough here. I'm not gonna open a trade. This was wild, guys. If you guys saw this area here, oh man, this is the wildest area I'm looking at currently as we speak. Too much chop in this area. Obviously, we created an exhaustion price just ripped up here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, yeah, but this was a beautiful move, guys. If you guys entered the buys around this area, hey man, you ate here. All right, I got all my charts set up here. Everything is looking good. The hairstyle is looking good. Everything is looking fresh. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 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 man. Hey, man. We out here. We out here. Yeah, I haven't worn my do rag. That's why some of them are like up. But then once I wear the do rag here, yeah, the hairstyle is gonna look way better than it looks right now. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right, yeah, the buys are looking clean here. Obviously, price is pushing here. Um, but I'm not in the buys. I'm not. I'm not in anything here. Plus, because the 15-minute, this candle is about to close. Obviously, in the next 5 minutes, price is about to close. So I'm not interested in taking any move here. I rather wait. I rather wait for price to possibly close. If we close something similar to this, and then create a lower wick here, this would look money then. Right on the next candle, if we close bullish like this on the next candle, obviously if we create a lower wick here and potentially move up here, this would look money, right? Coming back to fill this range, something similar to this, maybe I might be interested in those buys right here. um let's look at the high time frames. Yeah, are we bullish? Yeah, the high time frames are just looking It's tough here. But yeah, we kind of bullish. Probably price will push back up here. Yeah, man. We haven't, man, guys. I haven't forgotten about y'all. Come on now. I haven't forgotten about y'all. How can I forget about my people here? Nah, I can't do that. Yeah, I wasn't live yesterday. We actually had load shedding. Crazy, but I posted a short. If you guys go see the short, we actually made profits during, what was it? Asian. We made profits during Asian session. Yeah, let's see the closure here. Let's see the type of closure we're gonna get. If price doesn't push here, possibly the next candle might just decide to push with us here. Yeah, so let's brace ourselves here for the buys, for the possible buys. The only problem with these is that the previous candle actually closed inside this range here, right? Right. This is a very tough and choppy range here. If we actually closed above here, I would be, oh man, it would be money here. So yeah, obviously, if I do enter a trade here in the next 4 minutes, the trade will probably be low risk. Depends on the type of closure we're gonna get here. If price closes back in the range in this area, then I'm not in any trade. But if we close above something similar to this, with a healthy looking candle, then I might just be interested to pushing up here, right? Price might just push up to these levels here. None too major, none too crazy, obviously, and yeah, I will take my profits there. But if price decides to do something like this, right? Possibly on this current candle, if we get a closure, something similar to this, yeah, then I might just be interested in taking the sales here, but not not entirely, right? Obviously, we're gonna have to wait for price to sort of like support its bias here, right? Obviously, we're gonna have to wait for price to sort of like support its bias. After it supports its bias, then I'll be interested in taking the sales, pushing lower here. Yeah. Um, yeah, something similar to this. This would look money, money here. Yeah, keep on filling the wick and all those good things. So let's see the type of closure we're gonna get here. 2 minutes, 2 minutes to a closure. Hey man, Asian session is always cold, bro. I've never entered an Asian session that's hot. The only time that will happen is during summer. Only time that will be possible is during summer here. Yeah, obviously, guys, I can't be loud. You know what I'm saying? It's late. People are sleeping. He's back. I'm back. Yes, sir. I'm back. Yes, sir. I'm back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, man. See that? These are the possible buys we could have been in. And right now, we would have been in losses. Oh, man. Um, let's see. Interesting price action here. How am I sounding, guys? Is my sound proper? Oh yeah. Hey, where's the music? Hey, where's the music? Hey, where's the music? Hey, where's the music, man? All right, look at the cells playing out here. Look at the cells playing out. Oh my goodness, what type of closure is this? Back inside the range, obviously some sort of a fake out here. Yeah, man, this is nothing for me. I'm not interested in taking this move. Possibly the only possible move I might take here, right, is if price closes below this areas here, right? And yeah, on this candle, if we get a closure below here, I might be interested in taking the sales, pushing lower here, right? But if price pushes without us, unfortunately, price pushes without us. Yeah, if price pushes without us here, unfortunately, that would be the chat. Nothing for us here. All right, let me just send the link to my group here. Obviously, my people need to know that I'm live. Yeah, this range is too choppy, guys. If you're gonna enter the buys here, hey man, you're probably gonna lose money here. Look at this area here. This is a tough area here. Yeah, this area is tough. This area here. Mm-mm. Obviously, if you're gonna enter price buys or sells in this choppy place here, you're probably gonna lose money. So just save yourself some cash. Save yourself some cash. Make sure you don't enter the market in areas like this, right? We rather wait it out, see what price wants to do, the type of closures we're gonna get, and then from there we might just be interested in taking moves here. But for now, nothing here, nothing. Yeah, I know I said sells below, but this is sells below slash buys above, right? Sells below slash. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh, okay. Sells below slash uh buys above here. Yeah, sells below slash buys above. Obviously, price closure above this area would be money here for us. Yeah, I just don't want to see price push without us. I don't want to see price push without us. Yeah, that would be an unfortunate event. Yeah, man. Yesterday we were in buys. We actually took one session yesterday. One session. Yeah, it was only one session. We got in the buys. We pushed nice $70 in the morning, and that was about it. That was about it. Yeah, possibly closures back above this area. If we close something similar to this, yeah, man, this would be money here. Yeah, if we close something similar to this would look good for the buys here. Española, Española Musica. That's the type of music we listen to. Española Musica. Let's go. Española Musica. Yes, yes, sirski, yes, sirski, yes, yes, sirski. The million. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's the type of music. That's the type of music. Vibes, guys. Vibes. All right, yeah. Yeah, this is basically what the type of closure I'm looking for, guys. If we do get a closure similar to this, right, on the current candle here, yeah, man, this would look money to keep on pushing up, right? Possibly pushing up to this area. Yeah. Obviously, we're drawing up the plans, and yeah, whatever price wants to do, price will do, right? But yeah, the buys played out here, and who wants to sell here? Yes, finally, yeah, finally. What's up, non level? Shake your head, man. Finally, let's go. We back. Like we never left, we never leave. Uh, alright, yep. Couple closures. Who's in the cells there? Who's in the cells? Let me know. Let me know. I'm trying to know. I'm trying to know. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, man, these are clean moves, but these are not our moves, unfortunately. Here. But yeah, man, if you're in the cells, this looks money. Yeah, this looks beautiful. Clean fake out, sell, tap up, move. Yeah, put a sell right there. The only reason why I'm not in the cells is just this chop here. This chop does not interest me at all. The chop is not interesting, guys. I'm not even willing to enter that move there. It's nothing for me actually. Yeah. I rather just wait for something much better there. Maybe a closure. Maybe a closure would do. If we do get a closure, something similar to this. Nah, not even. Not even. Look at the 1 hour. What is the 1 hour trying to prove here? Man, the 1 hour is looking tough. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Let's see how we close on the 1 hour. Actually, interesting. I haven't traded the 1 hour for quite some time. So let's see. Penetrate the hourly here. Yeah, if we get a proper closure, maybe. If we get a closure back above here, maybe. Maybe. But if we get a bearish closure like this, then I am not doing anything. Lullaby, 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 lullaby. Guys, the only time you will see my full potential energy, the only time you will see me on Super Saiyan 100 is during New York and Asian and London. But during New York, guys, you can't see me on 100% Super Saiyan mode. uh, the only reason you guys can't see me on full Super Saiyan mode is because I live in an apartment and I actually have neighbors, so I don't want to be too loud, guys. Respect. Let's push respect to other people, right? Yeah. But during the day, oh man, I don't care. um, yeah. Alice. Let's go, Alice. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. What type of Forex trader would I be if I have to, you know, post 3 days and disappear. Really? I can never do that. I told you guys, this is the future best. No, no, no. I mean it. I mean, like, this is the future best YouTube Forex channel. Spoke it into life, and that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, 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 yeah. Why the confidence? Because I know that's gonna happen. I know, like, I don't even have to worry about it. Don't worry about it. Oh yeah, we actually got an hourly closure here. Let's see how we close, guys. Let's see how we close here on the 1 hour. Yeah, we close right at support here. Yeah, this is nothing for me. Yeah, obviously the push up here would look good if we do push all the way up to these areas here. Then I might be interested in taking those buys. But as for now, nothing. If I have to be the only legit forex trader in SA, then so be it. I'm joking, guys. I know there's a few legit forex traders that I know, but they're not online. They're not posting. They're just living life. I know a few forex traders who live in Cape Town, white forex traders who live in Cape Town. Two of them making thousands and thousands and thousands of rands on a daily basis. Yeah. Are we friends? Nah. Nope. We just I just say acquaintances basically. Yeah, 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 yeah. Potential friends? Yeah, potentially. If I can actually push like them and become that big. Yeah, potentially. Yeah, yeah. If I become as big as them, yeah, they will probably be like, "Hey man, you finally arrived. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's work." Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, potentially, yeah. Those are my people. Those are my people. As for now, I feel like they're just looking at me and they're like, okay, we see you, we see you, we see you. You're trying, you're trying. So keep it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 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 yeah. You have to know your levels in life. Sometimes you can't wanna be up there with the people who are up there when you're still down here. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be humble. You gotta work your way up there, and yeah, there will be people to welcome you and to give you a helping hand when you reach the heights. But when you're still down here, obviously you gotta relax a bit. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, push, keep on pushing, and that's what I'm doing, right? Yeah. Someone is asking if I have white friends. Obviously, bro. What do you think? I have I have friends of all types of races: white, Indian, colored, Asian, anything you can think of. Anything you can think of. I have friends all over the world, man. Yeah, I got friends all over the world, man. Come on now. I have friends in the US. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, USA? I know I have some USA viewers. W's for you guys. Appreciate you guys actually tuning in and actually watching my stuff. Yeah. I'm that young boy from the hood to the world. Let's go. Young boy from the hood to the world. Let's go. Young boy from the hood to the world. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Um, yeah, guys. So basically, if we do get a closure, right? If we do get a closure, something similar to this, I'm not interested in any buys or sells here. But if price actually pushes back up, right? If we get a closure, something like this, right? Let me just drop the plan for you guys, and then so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, if we come back in this area, right? And close something similar to this, which is going to be support, I'll be interested in taking the buys and potentially moving up here. Yeah, Asian session is looking good today. Yeah, I'm liking the volume here. I'm liking the volume. I'm liking the volume. Let's go. Yeah, but if we do close bearish like this, then I'm not interested in taking any move here. Yeah, obviously, if we close bearish like this, guys, I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Anyone in the cells? Anyone in the cells? Yeah. Yeah, the cells are not looking nice. Yeah. I have a lot of friends who are traders who make thousands and thousands of dollars. I have a lot of friends who are traders who make millions and millions of rands. Okay, nah, I'm lying, friends who make millions, not so sure about that. But potential friends who have millions, definitely, definitely. They just, they just, they just patiently waiting for me, right? They just patiently waiting for me to make my to basically push and make my way up. And yeah, man, they will have the extension letter for me waiting. They're just waiting to for me to prove myself. But as for friends who are making thousands and thousands of rands, or dollars, yeah, definitely, definitely. Do I have friends who are making thousands and thousands of pounds? I actually don't have friends from the UK, man. I'm looking for friends from the UK, guys. If you're from the UK, if you're from the UK and you're a trader, come on now, come on now, come on now. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. I'd love that. Yeah, guys, if all of these lines are confusing y'all, let me just delete a few so that you guys can understand basically what I'm waiting for here. And yeah, what type of closures are we gonna get here during London? What? during Asian session. Yeah, basically, if we do close again like this, maybe the sales might make sense. Maybe, depending on the type of closures we get, obviously. But if we come back and push all the way up W, that'll be a nice push for me, and I will take the buys and potentially move up here. Something similar to this type of closure, I would love that. This would look money for me. This, yeah, this would be beautiful for me. Yeah, probably I'll probably be doing Asian session only for now, guys. And yeah, maybe yeah, London will be a problem because during the day my network is pretty bad, and yeah, in the afternoon it's worse. During New York, it's worse. Until that until that Wi-Fi comes to my doorstep, there's nothing much I can do. Yeah. Until that Wi-Fi comes to my doorstep, hey man, yeah, we gotta just wait. We gotta just wait, guys. Yeah, but I will be sure to compensate for that 10 times harder, guys. I'll make sure that I give you guys only profitable trades. Ah man, obviously that's not possible, guys. Only profitable trades, like 100% profitability. Ah, nah, man. I don't know anyone who has 100% win rate. I'm still yet to see one. All right, guys, 18 minutes to a closure here. Let's see how price is gonna close. Obviously, on the 15, if we close back above this area here, I'll be open to taking the buys and potentially pushing here. Yeah, this would probably look money from here. Yeah, this would look money, 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 money. Same. Let's go. 2 minutes to a closure here on the 15. How are we gonna close here? Interesting. Yeah, if we do close above here, guys, I'm gonna get in the buys. All right. All right. So, how many impatient traders do we have in this life? uh, how many impatient traders are there in this life? How many impatient traders are there in this life? If we have, for example, guys, let me just, yeah, yeah, I'm on my teaching mode. I'm on my jam dropping mode. You guys know that I only drop gems during Asian session. Yeah, if you're not a part of Asian session, unfortunately, you're not gonna get jams. All right, so yeah, how many traders um are impatient? So this is the percentage, right, that we have of losing traders, non-profitable traders worldwide. We have, like, when we are calculating all the traders, right? All the traders in the market, we have 95% of losing traders. What do you think is the reason why we have 95% of losing traders and only 5% of winning traders, right? The only reason why we have 5% of winning traders and 95% of losing traders is simple, guys. The reason is the type of attitude you have towards the market, right? That's the only reason why we have 95% of losing traders and only 5% of winning traders. It is the attitude you have to the market. The attitude that you give in the market will either determine whether you have a win, a prop, yeah, will either determine whether you're profitable or non-profitable, right? A lot of the traders that I've had encounters with, right, are not ready to step out of this area here, which is the 95% of losers, and step in this realm, right? This realm is basically a realm where, yeah, it's a mindset. It's a mindset, right? No strategy, no strategy is gonna put you up here. Yeah, man. I'm basically going to be dropping gems there. If you guys understand what I'm talking about, you know, right? No strategy is gonna put you up here, right? No strategy is gonna make you a 5% profitable trader. Strategies Most strategies put people in the 95% pool of losers here. And the reason why that is, right, the reason why that is because a lot of traders, right, a lot of traders find the strategy. After finding the strategy, they think that is the holy grail, that is all and be all. And unfortunately, once you get in this area here, right, you end up taking trades based on the strategy, but you forget mindset, right? Mindset is what puts you in the profitability scale here, right? It makes you the 5%ers, right? And we also have 1%ers. These are the millionaire traders, right? These are the billionaire traders. But once you hop from the 95% of trade losing traders and you hop onto the 5% of losing traders, life is going to change. And this is where we're talking about mindset. Not only have the strategy, right? You not only have the strategy, but you also have uh, the back tests, right? You have the data, right? You have the data, right? Once you get the data, you're also gonna get something we call uh, this, right? You have the strategy, you have the data. Now, what else do you have besides the strategy and the data? Obviously, guys, come on now, come on now. You want me to say everything? I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. Yeah, you have the strategy, you have the data, which is very important. And from the data, right? From the data, this is the most important thing, right? This is why I'm dropping the gems. This is why I keep on repeating one thing. From the data, you're gonna find your age, right? Your age, not another person's age, not your mentor's age, not any other person who's gonna be out here, right? The reason why I'm talking about an age, when you find your age, right? Your age is gonna separate you from 95% of losing traders to the 5% of winning traders, because now your age basically tells you, right? It tells you based on my data, right? Based on my data, the wins are probably, let's just say 50%. Maybe I'm a 50% winning trader, right? So based on my data, right? I win 50% of the time, right? So if you win 50% of the time, you have to make sure that the winning trades, right, are collected. And every time you see a setup based on your what? On your winning trades, right? Your setup based on your winning trades, you execute. And every time you find a setup based on your losing trades, because you have a 50% losing rate, 50 once you find a setup based on your losing trades, you also going to it's going to be part of your age. You're going to stay out of the market. So you guys understand that? Yeah. So basically, that is the message of the day, right? That's the message of the day. That's the gems that I'm trying to drop to y'all. And if you understand this, guys, if you really understand this and you actually put in the time and the effort to basically set yourself up for success, then you will be part of the 5% of winning traders, profitable traders, right? And then from here, I will explain the 1%ers on another video, guys. Right? Yeah. I'll explain the 1%ers on another video, and I'm not here yet. But this is where I'm aiming to go. I'm here on the 5% of winning traders. This is where I'm at, right? Because I have my strategy, I have my data, and I have my edge, and I have my win rate. My win rate is not 50, it's somewhere around the 80s. Yeah, my win rate is somewhere around the 80s. So I'm part of the 5% winning traders. That's why when the candles just move around, I'm not trading. I wait for a specific setup, I wait for time that is accurate for me to enter. Like right now, like looking at this 3 a.m. candle here, what is this? What is this, right? I'm gonna have to wait, right? I'm gonna have to wait for price to do its thing here, play around, and then potentially give me a move, right? And this is why I am part of the 5% profitable traders, and I left this 95% of losing traders long ago. I'm no longer here, right? And if you want to take a step out of the losers and be part of the winners, this is basically what you have to do. And it's as simple as that. Like literally, as simple as that, right? Yeah, so that's the jams I'm gonna drop today. And yeah, man, if you got that, you got that. If you don't have that, unfortunately, tough, right? Yeah, but yeah, that is basically it. Back to the music and let's vibe here. Yes, sir. All right, yeah, looking at the 1 hour time frame, guys. Yeah, if price decides to push up here, it is gonna give us a nice push here. So I'm gonna get my buy stops actually ready here, just in case price decides to move here. But obviously, let's see where this lower wick wants to go before we enter here. Yeah, but the break of these highs, money. And obviously, I will have my stop loss somewhere around these areas here. This will be my stop loss, guys. Yeah, $128. That'll be my stop loss. And yeah, $184 would be yeah, would be where I take my 80%, right? This would be yeah, this would be where I take 80% of my profits and a potential push if price wants to push, right? But yeah, and I will be adjusting the stop loss depending on where price wants to play around, right? As yeah, this will be yeah, basically if price decides it wants to keep on pushing here, I will just keep on, trailing my stop loss until I go break even. Yeah, so let's see, guys. Let's see. 6 minutes to the 15 closure here. 6 minutes to the 30 closure as well. Let's see. The hour is 30 minutes to a closure here. Yeah, I believe the hour is not even gonna give us a closure. It's probably gonna just rip up here if we are bullish. So let's see in the next 5 minutes what price will do. Right. For example, let's say if we get a closure below like this, right? I'm gonna have to delete the buy stops because this is not the type of closure I'm looking for. And yeah, man, that would be that. Are we going to buy here? Are we going to buy? Like the buys even in this area would be more valid than the buys here, but because the 1 hour here, um, because the 1 hour, let me just show you. Let me just show you. Because the 1 hour here, because of the 1 hour here, I would rather wait for the buys above this area, right? Yeah, because I feel like this is more of a chop here. It's just the choppy area here, right? This is too much chop for me. But yeah, I feel like liquidity is being grabbed for the sellers. Yeah, liquidity has been grabbed for the sellers. So let's see. 2 minutes to a closure. And obviously, if we close bearish, our bias totally changes. I'm gonna enter a sell here. Obviously, if we close bearish right now, probably the sell to fill the wick. W to that. That would be a W. Then I would know that we are bearish for the rest of the session here, possibly. This would be a young 40 pips, young 40 pips. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Something like that. All right, 1 minute to closure here. Let me delete the buy starts. Obviously, the buys are not playing out. Uh, yeah. So let's see this type of closure we're about to get here. We can mark the register. Arrived at the perfect time. W Topboylarry, let's go. W Mimi. Oh yeah, by the way, that's my friend. That's my friend. That's my friend from the US. W to you. What's happening, Mimi? Mimi. uh nice, nice, nice. Welcome to Asian session. Welcome to Asian. 40 seconds to a closure here. If we close like this, guys, then I'm not interested in any trade here. Probably gonna call it a day. Maybe give price one more chance in the next 30 minutes or an hour. So yeah, but this is not looking good if we close like this. This will not be my trade. Not be my trade. All right, yeah, this is not my trade. Nothing here for me. I'm just gonna have to wait. Have you taken a trade yet? No, 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 not yet. Nothing. Netflix shows. USA. Let's go. Nothing, nothing. Still waiting, still waiting. Still waiting for something here. Still waiting for something that makes sense. Something that makes sense. As for now, nothing makes sense for me. Na, 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 na. Yeah, guys, one more hour, 1 or 2 hours, then I'll be out of the market here. Not even two, guys. 1 hour, 1 hour at most. If you don't get anything here, then I'm out. But yeah, I'm still up for the buys, guys. I'm still up for the buys based on what? Based on the 1 hour here. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a trade that is gonna take a bit more time than usual. But I'm just gonna set the buy stop, and yeah, probably the stop loss will be somewhere around here. Still, the TP will be somewhere around here if the buyers play out here. Thing is, the 1 hour tends to take time, so I'm obviously gonna have to chill and wait and wait and wait and wait until the market plays out here. Oh man, price would look money here if we close like something above here. That would be a pretty fake out, like a pretty fake out. Obviously, on the next candlestick, price might just push and rip up here or create a lower wick and move up. So yeah, man, let's see how we play out here. But yeah, man, I have my buy stops above these highs, and yeah, just let's just wait to see what price does. What's good? Levels for real. Levels for real. What's happening? Boschkov. What's happening, Boschkov? Let's go. Let's go. I like how you trade. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. WWW. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, man, the hourly guys. Oh, the hourly. If the hourly gives us a closure like this, oh man. Oh, if the hourly gives us a closure something like this, something back above. Know what I'm saying? Cause yeah, something like this would be money. Yeah, this would be the closure I'll be looking for. Something like this, and then the next candle does something like this, right? If the next candle does something like this, uh, gives us that low, right? For price to potentially move up and fill this wick here. Basically, this is the setup I'm looking for, right? This is the trade I'm looking for. It will only depend on how price is going to close right now. But if we close bearish like this, then I guess we bearish, eh? I guess we bearish. I guess we bearish. I'm going to delete the buy stops here. But that's the plan. That's the plan on the 1 hour. That's the plan on the hourly. None too major, none too crazy. Some light, some light, some light. But yeah, price is pushing up here. Yeah, you guys would be wondering why I'm not in the buys yet. And like, why are you not in the buys already? Too much chop in this left area here. That's why I'm not in the buys yet. But if we break above that chop, mm, money. I needed to break above this chop here. And anything above these highs here, money. And my stop loss will be somewhere around here. And hopefully price will rip up, right? But I'll be taking 80% of my trade somewhere around here, guys. Yeah, that'll be it. That'll be the trade. Too many lines? Okay, let me delete some lines. Let me delete some lines. Yeah, this is basically the only range that we are going to trade here. This is the only range. So all of these lines, not necessary. Yeah, there's no holy grail here. There's no all and be all strategy. But this is basically what we are waiting to see here. Yeah, even on the 30 guys, oh, potential moves up like this. Wonderful. This would be money if we push up like this, guys. Oh, look at this clean range all the way. Even if we rip up to this area, like money still, guys, money. What about if the 30 closes like this? Obviously, if the 30 closes like this, right? Let's say, for example, we close back below the range, then I'm gonna have to step out of the market. I'm calling it a day, right? But if price, this current candle closes above like this, right? This would look money for me, right? If price closes back above something like this, potentially something like this, I'd love something like this, right? Then, yeah, right. Obviously, price creating that push up here. This is what I'll be waiting for. It's basically what I'm anticipating. That's why I have the buy stops above this area here, above this chop here. But anything besides that, it's not my type of trade. It's not the trade I would take here. Yeah, then I would wait for like London session or New York. Yeah, I have like what's this? 80% win rate. 80% win rate during Asian session here. 80% win rate during Asian session. Yeah, basically, the reason why I want to take this trade is based on the hourly here. The hourly is looking money here. If we do break these highs, a potential push would be amazing. So the reason why I'm taking the trade is based on the Yeah, the sound is back, guys. The sound is back. Don't worry, don't worry. I got y'all. I got y'all. I got y'all. Yeah, man. I was saying that the 15 is looking stubborn here. We got a closure back below here. And yeah, man, if price wants to tap here and close back below, hey, that would be tough. That would be tough. That would be the first loss in 2 weeks. First loss in 2 weeks, né? Yeah, that would be the first loss in 2 weeks, actually. Yeah, that would be the first loss in 2 weeks. So we'll see. We'll see. The only reason I'm taking this trade here is because of the hourly here. Man, the hourly is looking pretty, guys. Damn. The hourly, amazing. Yeah, a closure like this, guys, on the hourly. Oh man, lovely. I'm feeling Jolo, ELA, 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 Jolo, ELA, ELA, ELA. Oh man, what a song! What a song! This chop, guys, this is the chop I want to pierce through, right? This is the reason why I'm not getting in the buys like currently or anything like that. But whatever low wick this candle is gonna give us, that's where I will basically, try and tame my stop loss here. But currently, yeah, the stops are gonna be somewhere around these areas. If we don't get a low on this candle here, I'm gonna keep the stop somewhere around here for potential pushes. Yeah, I'm gonna take 80% of my trade somewhere around 40, 87. Yeah, this is where my potential. Yeah, this is where 80% of my take profit will be, and then anything below that 4069 will be my stop loss. Yes, sir. And yeah, wait for price to potentially keep on pushing up here. But if we do get a closure on the hourly here below, right? I'm looking at the hourly. If we do get a closure below in the next 9 minutes here, yeah, then I'm expecting to keep on pushing lower here. Yeah, I do see a potential push lower here. So this will only depend on the closure, the 1 hour closures here. So 9 minutes to a closure here. Let's see how price wants to react, where it wants to move. You know what I'm saying? But if you were in the sales and you haven't taken profits, that's unfortunate. And yeah, man, if you're in the buys, you probably blew your account right now. Or stop loss has taken you out. So yeah, guys, it's cold. Oh, you guys don't understand. Asian session is cold. Like I'm really sacrificing here. Could have been in the blankets. Could have been in the blankets, man. Yeah, let's see how this next Candle closes in 8 minutes. Hey man, I'm gonna play the song again. W guys. The song is amazing. The song is amazing. If you guys are wondering where the song comes from, Zane Pablo. Look at Zane Pablo, and you will find the song. For the broken and obscure, welcome back. Like I never left. Like I never left. I actually didn't leave, guys. The problem is the network provider that I'm using is kind of stubborn and it keeps on breaking my lives in between. So I called an extra network provider and I'm just waiting for the Wi Fi to be delivered. And then I'm going to change this network provider and I'm going to tell them, I'm going to send them a message and tell them how much I don't appreciate their service. Yeah. 7 minutes to a closure here. Let's see how price closes. All right, let me delete the buy stops, guys. Let me delete the buy stops and actually give you guys a better plan, right? If price closes back below like this, right, then the sales would make sense, right? A nice push back below probably would make sense. Or another better plan. I know people on the comments will be like, bruh, are you buying or selling? Like literally, like, you're not making sense. Do you wanna buy or sell, man? Like give us a clear picture. Relax, I'm cooking. Relax. I'm cooking, relax. Alright, yeah, yeah. Something like this. But if we do close back below like this, then I would be interested in taking these sales and potentially filling the weight because the buys would not be valid for me. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, you just gotta put in the reps each and every single day. Put in the reps, make sure that you understand what you're doing on a daily basis, and then the profits will follow. Half minute sword closure, guys. Let's see how we close on this 5 minute candle. Let's see how we get it. Yeah, let's see how we close on the hourly as well. Yeah, the hourly just doesn't want to go up here. Stubborn hourly. Stubborn. uh, Stubborn hourly. But yeah, closure something like this, guys, the cells would look beautiful here. I'm obviously going to enter the cells, uh, possibly push all the way down, get a closure like this. Yeah, this would be my trade. Take 80% of the trade here and price, wait for price to potentially, just rip down here to whatever levels it wants to go. Who else thinks I'm confused? Man. Maybe like, bruh, like, what's up with you, bruh? You just told us you want to buy, now you want to sell. Price action, guys. Price action. Those are the secret words. Those are the magic words. Price action. Magic words, price action. So let's see what type of closure we're gonna get here. Ugh. Okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. 2 minutes to close on the 1 hour. 2 minutes to close on the 1 hour here. Do you guys see this beautiful move? This potential price move here. Man, yeah. I would really love that. I would really love something like this. uh sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, but London is gonna be interesting here, guys, because we have news. It'll be interesting because we have news. This would be a young, beautiful 80 pips here if price closes like this. Then I'll be interested in taking those sales here, pushing all the way down. Depends on the closure, guys. Depends on the closures. Patience, 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 patience. That is my second name. Hi, I'm Larry, and only good things happen to me. I am blessed and highly favored. 30 seconds to closure here, guys. Let's see how price wants to close. If we get nothing here, I'm out. Yeah, if we get nothing here, I'm out, guys. 15 seconds. Let's see how price literally wants to close. Yeah, man. All right. No trade for me, guys. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah, man, guys. I'm gonna actually get in the sales here. For price to potentially move lower. Nah, not even. Oh man. Uh, you guys let me know. You guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? You guys think we should go in the buys or sells? uh, what do you guys think? Maybe let me put y'all in the test. Let me put y'all in the test. Buy or sell? Buy or sell? What do y'all think? What do y'all think?
You say you need space, and you sleep in my bed. Tell me it's nothing but your eyes say instead. One day you're cold,
Buy
next
or
day
sell?
you're warm. Girl, I can't tell if it's
Y'all let
love
me know.
or
Y'all
a
let me know.
storm. We laugh
What do
and
y'all
say
think?
we're fine, but the truth's in between. Halfway to us, halfway to sea. You hold my hand like you're scared out deep, but you won't say the
I think it's a
words that
wait.
would make me
That's what I think.
leave.
I think it's a
Are
it's a
we
it's a
in love?
relax. That's what I think, guys.
You say don't rush it, but you cross the
I
line.
think it's a Larry. Take a
I'm
chill
picking
pill,
you
bruh.
up
Price
off
is
the
not giving you
baseline.
a good
Your
price action. Come on now.
relationship is messing with my
I got what's
mind.
this?
Mixed signals every night. You post me, delete me, then call it three. Ask if I'm over it, but you're not over me. We play it cool, but the tension's too loud. Can't be just friends, but you won't say it out loud. I'm tired of guessing, tired of the game. If you
Bye.
want me gone, just say my name.
W's in the chat. W's for the broken and obscure guys. Yeah, I'm actually gonna get in the buys yeah, at the break of the highs. Yeah, I'm gonna get in the buys at the break of the highs, guys. I'm just waiting for price to potentially do its thing, and then after that, yeah, I'm gonna have my buy stop somewhere around this area here. I've been waiting for the buys to sort of like play out. Yeah, and price potentially is gonna give us what we are looking for here. Yeah, and my TP will be somewhere around these areas here. So hopefully that is the case. So let's see how we move here. Yeah, I'm trading this based on the hourly candle here, guys. So yeah, the trade is probably gonna take some time to play out. We'll see. If we do take a loss, that'll be one of those days. One of those. That'll be my first loss in 2 weeks. Damn. Yeah, guys, we need like one loss in our portfolio. Come on, man. Like one, just one. Just one, guys. One loss in the portfolio wouldn't hurt, would it? Would it hurt? Would it like ruin the reputation of this channel? Would it? Yeah. Yeah, guys, but one thing is there's no volume. There's no volume in the market, guys. Nah, man. Nah. No volume for me, guys. No volume, no volume. Price is moving slow here. Like a I don't know like a what, but price is moving slow here. Do your thing, Goldie. Do your thing. That's crazy, guys. I saw this. Let me show you what I saw. Uh, right here. Oh, look at that. Gold buy. Wow. Who's this? 3 minutes ago. Solid X22. Gold buy. Forex factory. 4 minutes ago. Excuse me. 4 minutes ago. We have another one here. Gold sell. Whoa. People are confused here. 4 minutes ago, another one. Gold buy. Same thing. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, buy, buy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sure. Who's gonna make money here? I'm gonna choose a person. Lucky winner today. The one who's gonna make money here is Solid X. Let's go. Oh man. Another one who's gonna make money here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Potentially make money here. Yeah, man. I'm talking to Mr. What? Bear and Bull. Who's that? Yeah, man. Those are the people I trust. What? Sell. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Also in the comments we have buyers and sellers. Oh man. Trading, trading, trading. Forex is amazing, guys. I love the sport. I love the
You say
sport.
you need space and you sleep in my bed. Tell me it's nothing but your eyes say instead. One day you're cold, next day you're warm. Girl, I can't tell if it's love or a storm. We laugh like we're fine, but the truth's in between. Halfway to us, halfway to sea. You hold my hand like you're scared out deep, but you won't
Yeah,
say
guys,
the
no.
words
No,
that
I'm actually gonna
make
cancel
me
this
believe.
buy stop here.
Are we in love or just killing
The volume is
time?
just
You say don't rush me,
lagging.
but you cross the
The volume is
line.
a tortoise here
Are
today,
we in
so
wrong or we
nah, I'm
on
not
the
interested.
side? This confused
I'm
relationship
not
is
interested,
messing
guys.
with my
Nah, man.
mind. Mixed signals every
You know
night.
when we enter, guys, like
Told
the
me to
moves
leave it
just
and go to
move.
three. Asking for
So,
more,
alright, I'm
but
gonna
you
call it a
never
day here,
leave.
guys. I'll see you guys in the next session. Here's the plan, right? If price basically pushes, right, this is what we're expecting to see, right? Yeah, this is what we're expecting to see.
I'm tired of
Basically,
chasing
probably the okay, yeah,
time.
buys somewhere
You
around
want me gone
this
just
area. If price
like
pushes, right? Let's say, for example, price pushes, right?
stop playing coy.
Gives us a
Say
closure,
you
right?
ain't
Gives
gonna
us a
leave
closure,
me
something like this, right?
here.
Breakout
So what
above, a
I
nice
need is
breakout,
keep me
and then we see something
moving.
similar to
Every
this, right?
day
We see
I
something
know you
similar
still
to
picture me.
this.
It's
I'm
so
not gonna enter the buys immediately based on the fact that volume is pretty slow, like a tortoise, like a tortoise. We're gonna wait for price to basically come back and close, right? Close somewhere around, yeah, somewhere around here, and potentially, the next candle will be the one that pushes here. So let's see the type of closure we're gonna get. Wow, when I delete my stops, price wants to move. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna get here on the next 4 minutes here. If we close above here, I'm interested in taking the buys and potentially pushing up here. But yeah, let's see the 4 hour, the 4 minute close here. I just don't like how price is moving so slow. But yeah, I am bullish here. Bullish, bullish, bullish. All right, so let's just say we're in the buys, we would have been tapped right now, right? But I'm just gonna wait for that 4 minute closure, and then I'm gonna ride the buys to potentially move higher here. Let's just hope price doesn't just rip up in this 4 minutes, in the 15 minute, 4 minute, 15 minute, 4 minute. What's that? In the 15 minute, 4 minute. Yeah, so let's see the type of closure. If we don't get a nice closure here on the 15 minute, then I'm gonna call it a day. But if we get a breakout, beautiful push up, that'll be the type of trade I'm gonna take here. So yeah, my buy stops are still gonna be ready here. Let's just wait for that closure. Entanglement. Oh, no, no. Ooh. What type of closures? What type of closures? 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. If we close back in the range, bye bye. I'll see you guys on another one. But yeah, if we close above here, my buy stops are gonna be set here. Yeah, the only reason I deleted that stop is I don't wanna be part of liquidity. How many of y'all have been part of liquidity? Hey, these are all liquidity grabs, guys. Like all of these people, money lost. Oh, where? Yeah, man, this is the way we trade, guys. Wonderful. We never just lose money unnecessarily here. Obviously we chill, we wait for price to basically play out, and then after price plays out, that's when we take a trade, right?
Piano hit, body move. Tonight we got the groove. No lies, no games. Just love and the flame. Say it back to me.
Yeah, man, if we get this closure here, oh man, money.
You have time.
In the next 20 seconds, yeah. And if we close without a top wick, unfortunately, I'm also calling it a day. 6 seconds to a closure here. All right, wonderful closures, guys. Let's just wait for price to create. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna go in the buy. I'm gonna set my buy stops here. Potential push up here would look good for me. And yeah, we'll see where we set our stop loss. Let me just. What's going on? What's going on? Nah. What is price trying to do here? Yeah. All right. Yeah, we'll see where stop loss goes, guys. Just waiting for a tap here of price, and we'll set the sell stop. We'll sell this. Yeah, we'll set the sell stop. Vada, vada, vada. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Vada, vada, vada. Vada, 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 vada. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Come closer. Come closer. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Oh, man. I love Forex, guys. Oh, man, I become the happiest when I trade. The happiest when I trade. All right, the reason, okay, yeah, the reason why I'll be going in the buys, guys, is because of the 1 hour. The 1 hour was looking pretty nice, nice. Right? Yeah, that's the reason why I took the buys based on the 1 hour here. So just be aware of that. Yeah, are we gonna tap here and push? Let's see. Are we going to tap here? All right, yeah, we have set our sell stops here, just waiting for price to tap here, and let's see if price is gonna keep on pushing here. Yeah, this is Asian session here, and we got our buys set here. Is price going to tap, and are we gonna push up here? Let's see. Obviously trading Goldie here. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I did not set. Okay, I'm just gonna enter a buy here. Oh wow, I did not set that thing, guys. Oh wow. Yeah, but I'm still in the buys. Yeah. The buy stops were not set there for me, but then yeah, we in the buys, clean buys. We're trading gold here, waiting for price to push. We're currently in profits here. I'm gonna set my stop loss in this area here, and my TP will be somewhere around here, and that's just about it. So let's see, are we gonna push or take an L today? Yeah. Are we gonna take an L during aging here? I hope you guys saw how long we waited for this trade, by the way. Oh my goodness, I'm even cold. I should have been in the blankets right now. Damn. Damn. But yeah, this should be a clean move here. Cold. Cold. Why is my OBS keep on saying reconnecting here? I hope I am still live, guys.
Baby, listen. Baby, listen.
Oh, guys, this is the slowest trade I've ever been in. Wow. Slow.
Your name on my lips when I pray at night. Don't need diamonds, you the real light. One look from you and the world go quiet. Heart beating fast like a drum inside.
But yeah, the reason why I took the buys was based on the 1 hour time frame, guys. Yeah. All right, yeah, we're still in the trade here. Basically, the reason why we took the buy is based on the hourly here. Yeah, man, we're still in drawdown currently, but we shall see how price wants to move here. All right. Such a slow trade, bruh. Oh my goodness. Yo. All right, here's the game plan, guys. If price decides it wants to close back below, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go out of the trade without price even tapping my stop loss, because that would, for me, pause is a fake out, and my setup does not allow that. If you do get a fake out, I'm obviously not interested, right? But yeah, so let's wait and see if the buys are gonna play out here. Yeah. Um. Yes. We we still live? Are we still live? Right. Theme. Yeah. Charts are looking clean, guys. Yeah. We're still in the buys here. Currently in profits. Clean profits here. We're just waiting for price to give us a nice push. Will gold give us that push here? Will it give us that push? Let's hope so. Let's look at the 1 hour, which is basically the time frame that we took our buys on. Yeah, it still looks good, guys. It still looks good. Still looks good for a potential push up here. It still looks good for that potential push up, guys. Yeah. Let's just wait it out. Be patient. This is the longest trade. Okay, it's not the longest trade. We've taken longer trades. Yeah. We've taken longer trades. Yeah. We've taken way longer trades. If you're in the buys, tap W, guys. If you're in the buys, W's in the session. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna kind of push like my stop loss back in this area here. Yeah, there's one thing I'm not liking here about price, right? We have a previous week that was filled here in the 15. Yeah, I feel like we got in the buys pretty early. I mean, pretty late here, right? Yeah, I feel like we got in the buys pretty late. Volume doesn't want to push us here, right? So, yeah, we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, our stop loss is set, everything is set. Let's see if price is gonna wanna, you know what I'm saying. But if we fail to break these lows, guys, like these highs, if we fail to break these highs, unfortunately, I know I've been in a trade like this, price is gonna reverse. So let's see if we break the highs. Obviously, now we're creating that lower wick. Yeah, and price might just wanna come back, you know what I'm saying, and try attempt to break the highs. But if we fail to break the highs here, yeah, the sells are gonna play out. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Goldie, Goldie. This is probably gonna be the first L, guys. Yeah, first L of 2 weeks. Possibility of price pushing back below here. Yeah, so this is basically gonna be the trade here, guys. Price created a lower wick here. If it breaks these lows, yeah, potential high push lower here. But yeah, this would be my trade, guys. Yeah, this would be my trade. Let's see, are we gonna tap stop loss here, or are we gonna go back up? Yeah, XP. I've been in trades like this. I have been quite a few times. So let's see, guys. Let's see if price pushes. Is Goldie gonna give us a push here? I feel like volume is already out of the market, guys. We already had too many pushes for the session. Already had this buy. We already had this like just crazy moves in the market here. If price attempts to break these highs, right? For example, price attempts to break these highs and attempts to keep on pushing here. Obviously, I'm gonna go break even immediately at the breaks here because I know that this is not looking good. I was actually expecting this candle to push here. Yeah, but it failed. So let's see what type of closure we're gonna get.
Baby, listen.
All right. All right, guys, we are out. We took a loss during Asian session here, first hour in the past 2 weeks here. So that's basically the trade here for me, guys. Yeah, I'm calling it a day. I'll see you guys during London session. Spam the W's here. Oh my gosh, look at price. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've been in a similar trade, guys. I've seen this play out before. So yeah, it's basically it. All right. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the session, obviously I know that my people enjoyed the session. Yeah, I hope you guys spam the W's. As always, you guys know the drill. Spam W's, and then I'll see you guys on the next session. All right, peace out. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, see you guys during London.